Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Honor 200 Pro smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. So we will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, all of the accessories and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Honor 200 Pro branding. Here we got the information that it comes with 512 GB storage, we got 12 GB RAM, and this is a dual SIM smartphone, not for sale because this is a special review unit. And the color variant is Ocean Cyan. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Honor 200 Pro in Ocean Cyan. Here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin. Here we got a case for the back panel, a USB cable, and a 100-watt Honor Supercharge charger. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Honor 200 Pro: the smartphone, the case, the SIM card tray ejector pin, a USB Type-C cable, and 100-watt charger. As you can see, there are no quick start guide, user manuals, etc. provided in this retail box because this is a special review unit, not for sale. But in your retail box, you will find the quick start guide, user manual, etc. as well. So here is our Honor 200 Pro. So let's switch on the device and let's go through the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Honor 200 Pro. So our setup is done and we are good to go with our Honor 200 Pro. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So here on the front side, we got a huge 6.78-inch display with 94% screen to body ratio. The side bezels are extremely thin because of the curved edges, and the bottom bezel is also quite thin. The same goes with the top bezel as well. It's pretty thin, and we got a capsule punch hole where you will find the dual front camera setup. Right above it, there is a tiny slit where you will find the earpiece. At the top, we got the speaker grill and IR blaster, the secondary microphone. At the bottom, we got the SIM card tray slot, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and the primary speaker grill. On the right side, we got the power button along with the volume keys, and on the left side, there is nothing provided. But the most beautiful part of the design of Honor 200 Pro is the back panel. We got this Honor branding at the bottom along with this regulatory information. We also got the AI Matrix camera branding and this uniquely shaped rear camera module. As you can see that we got the dual tone finish on the back of Honor 200 Pro. So here we got the ocean wave finish, and here we got the glossy finish that looks like marble in terms of texture. The back panel is really beautiful and gorgeous, and as you can see, it reflects light in a very nice way, creating the effect of ocean waves. The edges are also curved on the back on all four sides, and because of that, it provides very nice grip while holding the device in hand, even though the back panel is quite smooth and slippery. Honor 200 Pro weighs just 199 grams and it is 8.2 mm thick. But because of the curved edges on the front and back, it does not look that thick even while holding the device or just looking at the side of the device. The device comes with IP65 water and dust resistance, so that's quite nice as well. Honor officially does not provide the information that what kind of glass it is using for its display, but it comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it, and we also got an in-display fingerprint sensor. The camera module bump is quite huge, as you can see, and the device will wobble a lot if you put it on a flat surface, so I will personally prefer to use a back panel case on Honor 200 Pro. First of all, to reduce the wobbling effect of the camera module and also get some grip. As I have mentioned earlier, the back panel is quite smooth and slippery, so it's better to go with a case for both protection and ease of use. Now talking about the display, the Honor 200 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch OLED display with 1 billion color reproduction. We got 120Hz refresh rate. The device is HDR compatible. It comes with 1224 x 2700 pixels resolution, so the PPI you will get is 437, and because of that the display is very sharp. So the color reproduction is very nice. The display looks beautiful. Even if I bring it so close to the camera, you won't see any pixelation. And as you can see, the display is vibrant. The viewing angles are great, especially because of the curved edges. We get an immersive viewing experience from edge to edge on Honor 200 Pro. The only distraction we got here is the huge punch hole we got, as it comes with dual camera setup on the front side. Here in the display setting, you can see that it comes with Oasis eye protection. We got the ebook mode. You get the option to adjust the color temperature. It comes with a smart resolution feature that automatically changes the screen resolution based on the activity you are doing, and it comes with 120Hz refresh rate. And as you can see, the display is very smooth and you will have a nice viewing experience on this device. It comes with maximum peak brightness of 4100 nits. So as you can see, it's pretty bright and you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. So the lowest brightness is this much and it is not too low, as you can see. So it's better to use the night mode if you are planning to use the device in low light situation to avoid putting a strain on your eyes. Talking about the hardware specs, the Honor 200 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3. It comes with 12GB RAM, 512GB storage. And talking about the software side, we got Android 14 with macOS 8. As we have seen, the macOS on Honor devices is very feature rich, comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity and do various customization as well to have a nice user experience on Honor smartphones. And the same goes with Honor 200 Pro. So as you can see that we got the big folder, we got some of the Honor applications. It comes with AI suggestion as well, and here we got a tools folder where you will find some nice useful applications including the smart remote, as it comes with an IR blaster. Now talking about the camera, on the front side we got 50 megapixel primary camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor, and on the rear we got 50 megapixel primary camera with face detection, autofocus, optical image stabilization. Then we got a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, face detection, autofocus, as well as optical image stabilization. And then the third camera we got is an 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. We got dual tone, dual LED, and both front and rear cameras can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 FPS. If you launch the camera application, then this is the user interface you will find. So as you can see, we got the photo mode, we got the video mode, we got multi-video that uses the front and rear camera at the very same time. We got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the dedicated night mode, we got the aperture mode to manually control the depth of field, and then we got the more section where you will find the pro mode, slow motion, panorama, time lapse, watermarks, super macro, high resolution, solo cut, night video, story, and scan document. So as you can see, it comes with plenty of options and features when it comes to imaging, but the most highlighted feature of the camera of Honor 200 Pro is the portrait mode that is developed in collaboration with the Paris photo studio Harcourt to create dedicated special effect for the portrait photography, as you can see here. So we will see how good the camera performance of Honor 200 Pro is going to be in our future videos. But as you can see, the camera setup of Honor 200 Pro, whether on the front side or the back side, is looking quite promising and feature rich for sure. So at the first glance, the Honor 200 Pro is a flagship grade smartphone in nearly every sense. The display is super bright, comes with extremely thin bezel, and the display quality is brilliant. The device is lightweight. It comes with IP65 water resistance. We got an IR blaster, dual speaker setup, 100 watt super fast charging, a very beautiful looking design and back panel, and a very promising camera module we got here on the rear as well as on the front, especially for the portrait photography. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Honor 200 Pro will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.